It's finally here, the day before we leave for our vacation. We're going to call this video day 29 of our 28 days of Airstream renovation. We've got so much to do. I'm super tired. Goran is too, but you know what? We're going to power through because that's what we do. Anyways, if you've not subscribed yet, man, you're really hanging on. But I respect that. But I think that you should subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. And yes, this is the last day of the 29 days of Airstream renovation, but don't fret. We will have plenty of stuff to do on this Airstream when we get back from our first trip. This first trip is really just going to be, testing out our sea legs and figuring out everything to do with RVing. It's our first real RV trip. And we're pretty excited about it if we can get this thing finished. All right, let's get to work. Looks like the first item on the list is to paint the kitchen. I need to finish up the touch-ups and the second coat on these cabinets. Let it dry, and then we're gonna move on to some other things. Second coat is on the cabinets. Now it is time to move on to hardware. Goran needs a piece of wood to mount to the wall so that he can get all of our electrical stuff mounted. So I'm going to get it painted for him and hopefully it'll be dry so we can get all that stuff mounted. Here's what it looks like. I'm gonna sand it, wipe it, paint it. In between doing touch-ups, getting hinges on cabinets and all that jazz, I am also cleaning the Airstream and getting it ready for our trip because we're literally leaving tomorrow. Bathroom is almost completely done, but I need to go to Bed Bath & Beyond and Walmart to go and get a few more items to make it feel more like home. Let's go.
Wrapping up the main junction box here in the back of the RV, we replaced this old junction box. This is where the shore power connector was coming in. That was this guy, or still is this guy. Comes in from the 30 amp socket from outside of the RV. That's coming into here, and previously that was going up to the circuit breaker box with one splice there. And now we are, and then we had some other stuff coming in over here. So now what we're doing is, this is taking the connection for the refrigerator and taking that up to the circuit breaker box. So it's circuit, this is that leg out to the microwave and refrigerator actually. That's on a 20 amp breaker. And then the main shore power is coming in here. And then that's going out to the inverter here, and then that comes back from the inverter on this cable here, and that's going up to the circuit breaker box up there. So we still got some cleaning up to do to make this all nice and neat, but the electrical connections are essentially done. So we upgraded the box size from this little hexagonal box up to a big 4 11/16 square box, 2.5 inches deep, I believe, and gives us plenty of room. Also, we're using these waterproof wire nuts. They have a built-in waterproofing sealant on the inside, sort of a epoxy or adhesive of some kind, a couple different sizes for the 5 splices that we have in here. And then we've got ground, which is crimped up together and then is going to be clamped to the side of the box and under the lid. So that's just about it for the main incoming junction box.
Guys, it is 11:45 at night. Goran worked his butt off on all the electrical stuff, but we still have a lot to do. And I am just trying to get this Airstream stocked and ready to go. Got a lot of stuff kind of cleaned. This rag right here, oh, let me show you this side. That's the inside of each cabinet. It was disgusting. So I'm just trying to get everything nice and clean and, you know, livable enough. The bathroom looks good. Got everything kind of stocked in there. And then here's the bedroom. Like I said, work in progress, but we're gonna end it here, day 29. We are supposed to leave tomorrow morning. So we're getting up very early. I'm gonna do a little bit more cleaning, a little bit more stocking, and then I'm gonna hit the sack. So, whew, holy smokes. I think I'm going to do a review video of the 28/29 days of Airstream Renovation, and then it's going to be our first trip. And then we're going to come back and do more Airstream Renovation. Hey, we might even do another 28 days, although I'm very tired. Working basically 30 days straight on this Airstream has taken a lot of life out of me. We still have so much to do, though. Oh, so much. All right, well, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, we will see you soon. Maybe not tomorrow, but soon, very soon. All right, bye.